Yes, Vijay, I realize a Bharatnatyam takes about 2 hours to complete, but we're short on time here. What can I do?
I told you I did not want to do this.
But it was better than Dharmender. What do you say?
Yeah, it was better than Dharmender. So let's move to the scores, ladies and gentlemen. Garba girl, guys.
She was good, man. Let's give her a 6.
All right, 6 for her. Marathi girl.
Why are you thinking so much? I just copy the scores from above. All of them dance well.
According to his name, Kunal Kopigar, you know, he'll keep copying.
So you are that very famous Kunal Kopigar who copied that entire 577 lab.
Who will make those big layouts, man? Just copy this.
Exactly. All right. Moving on, Delhi girl, guys. Priyanka Chopra.
Desi girl.
Hey, Desi girl ne 10 apo.
Okay.
10. Kaka, we know you liked her. Akash, usko, give her a 8.
All right.
क्या दिया?
10 diya.
10 likhe, don't worry. And VJ.
Vaijayanti. She's also a damn good dancer.
Yeah, man. I felt like a complete fool around her.
Yeah, to be honest, she was very good for him, wasn't she, guys?
Give her a 5.
All right.
5.
So 5 for her. Moving on, that's the end of round number 3. Very interesting situation coming up, ladies and gentlemen. Girls moving neck and neck. As we go into our 4th and final round, it's the rapid fire round. Quite like a lot of Indian TV serials like Cutting with Jaggu and Chai with Karan, many more in that series. So let's have the contestants back on stage, thank you. Big round of applause for the contestants, guys. They've been lovely, haven't they? Thank you very much. So contestants, as I was saying, this is the final round. It's the rapid fire round. The questions are going to be quick and fast, so do the answers, okay?
Yes.
Are you ready, contestant number 1? Here are your questions. Ambani or Dhoni?
Money. No, Ambani.
All right, and what do you like about St. Louis?
Taste of India. Good food.
Right, quite the foodie there. Moving on, contestant number 2. Bill Gates or Shah Rukh Khan?
Bill Gates.
And what do you like about Missouri S&T?
University Center East.
UC East, for whatever reason, all right. Moving on, contestant number 3. What do you like about Missouri S&T?
The wet hole at Schumann Park.
That's much more like it.
Oh, man, it's exciting.
And what is your aim in life?
Bachche, pati or shadi.
That's kids, a husband, and then a wedding. Well, whatever suits you, all right. What can I say? Moving on, VJ. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
On the cover of...
Playboy.
No, Wall Street Magazine.
Wall Street Magazine, guys. Very focused VJ right there. And what do you like about Missouri S&T?
Job prospects.
Job prospects, right. All right, great answer there from VJ. Thank you so much, contestants. So that's the end of round number 4. Let's go ahead to the scores, guys.
मेरे को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है मैं स्कोर देता हूँ क्या
All right, Guju girl first up.
Guju girl.
तू ही स्कोर दे Kunal. You only give the scores.
What score, man? She likes good food of taste of India. They serve stale food. What kind of taste is that?
Oh, really?
Give her 2 maybe. Whatever.
All right, okay. Sukhada, Marathi girl.
वो होशियार वाली.
हाँ काका होशियार वाली.
अरे होशियारी का क्या करूँगा यार मैं घर पे रहूँगा वो यूसी ईस्ट में पढ़ती रहेगी बच्चों को कौन देखेगा
पहले ये बता बच्चे होंगे कहाँ से अगर वो रात भर यूसी में रहेगी तो
Exactly. He's got a point there.
सही बात है
Right.
2 points.
All right, 2 points for her. Low scoring round there. Delhi girl, guys.
I don't care what she did and what she said, okay, but she was way too hot.
Okay.
Give her
8 or 7 maybe.
Yeah, man.
All right.
7 मतलब?
सुशील है.
And BJ last, guys.
BJ. Job prospects. She'll do job over here. So हर साल इंडिया जाने का खर्चा नहीं होगा, man.
Yeah, man. She will save a lot of money. Give her a 9.
All right, 9 for VJ. So VJ did really well on that last round there. So ladies and gentlemen, that was the end of our competition for today. Let's go ahead and total the scores. What do you guys say? Okay. So contestant number 1, the Guju girl. She has 19 points, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause. Great performance right there. Contestant number 2, 19 points again. Now, there seems to be a tie between numbers 1 and 2. What's going on, man? Contestant number 3 has 19 points as well. I'm really hoping VJ clinches this now.
ये सब एक सरखा जैसा क्यों लग रहा है?
एक सरखा ही है, सबको 19 ही है।
अबे तू वीजा से शादी करेगा?
पता है।
अबे क्या किया है तुम लोगों ने? What the hell have you all done यार? Everybody's got 19 points, man.
I didn't give the score. He gave the score.
What the hell, man?
ये मैंने स्कोर नहीं दिया, उसने सब दिया।
Well, so ladies and gentlemen, it seems to be a tie between 4 people. Tell you what, guys, we'll do what they do in those TV serials, right? Let's ask the audience to decide.
No, man, you can't ask the audience out of marriage.
Come on, man, the audience always knows best. Janta sab janti hai. What do you guys say?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, exactly.
हाँ
No, man. Earlier it used to be parents who decided. Abhi audience.
चलता है.
I'll convince him here. You go.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you guys will get to decide who gets.
Dad?
Uncle?
मालिक.
But why, uncle? Why can't he get married?
Because he's already married.
What?
वो शादीशुदा है.
What?
Yes.
To whom?
Rajashri.
Hey, when?
When you're 3, Bashan.
3?
है नाला है. नाला का तेरा.
What? You already married? Yenna raskala?
अबे भाग ले मार खाएगा.
ए भागो. Awesome guys, awesome.